How to add post to collection in OnlyFans. Do you note that I have already logged in? Now let's say I want to add this post to a collection. Well, in order to do so, you guys should have created your own custom collection. At the bottom right, as you guys can see, you can find buttons like this on each post. As you guys can see, the buttons right here as well. Simply click on the button right there. Now it's gonna provide you two options. Once you click on it, it's directly gonna be added to the bookmark. But right now, we want to add it to a collection. Simply click on this add to collection button right there. And this is it. Do you note that you can also add a new category from right here? But right now, I simply want to add it to this collection. So I'm simply gonna click on it. And that's it, guys. This way, you can add any post to a collection. Well, the process is quite easy. As you guys can see, this is my collection. Well guys, that's it. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Until next time, thank you.